What's up?
Hey. So dragged the diff out after Bernsey pulled it. We all saw the of the gear oil. Bernsey, this gear set's got more coke than, you know, Vegas nightclub.
Nah.
It's pretty coked up. It's like Charlie Sheen.
That thing stinks.
See, the smell doesn't bother me. Maybe because I've lost most of my sense of smell somehow or something.
You got permanent COVID.
Oh, it's on my nose now.
That's what you
It's all,
get.
it's all that meth you did back in the 30s and 40s.
Ooh,
I never did meth.
because that's methed up.
I've done one line of coke my whole life, and it was like the most overrated 15 minutes of my life.
You know what it is? It's the mixture of whatever he's spraying, dude.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know what
Yep.
Harry's spraying, but it smells bad too. Okay, so
Sounds pretty too. Surprised this thing probably wasn't humming down the road. A little bit.
like the gear, the teeth just. You know how when you look at a rear end and like the pattern where it wears, and like the gear, it's only worn where the gears touch, like in the center.
What kind of girls you been
Of the
with?
ring and pinion, or I'm talking about pinion.
Oh, sorry.
The pattern in the teeth.
Mm-hmm.
There's no pattern. It's all just worn completely because that thing's been going. It's been like this.
I don't want to know what your Saturday night job
Oh,
is.
fuck. That didn't.
Potty mouth. Potty's gonna slap you in the back of the head. I'm gonna laugh
So,
right now.
I need to figure out
Who?
what Gary
Hey,
wants.
nice ball.
Oh! Uh-oh! Look! There's teeth missing. There's pieces of teeth missing, boys.
Oh, that'd be the chunks in the bottom.
There's your chunks. Scotty, look at this.
You can barely see it because it's so.
It's so coked up. Gary, there's pieces of teeth missing, buddy. Gary's actually here today, so he's going to get these videos later, but he's actually
Morning.
starring in them as well.
How you doing today?
SMH, shaking my head.
That's
Yeah, that's
fucked.
bad, buddy.
Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Because I was gonna have to take a magnet in there because I could feel something was.
There's no.
On the
There they
bottom.
are. All right, so I'm going to get a. Actually, when you pulled the nuts off this, was the tag on there? That tag was on there, right?
Yeah, it's in the back.
Ooh. Give me that tag, because then I don't have to sit here and try to count gears, and I don't feel like counting today.
All right.
Anyway, all right.
Wait a minute, who taught you to count? I barely taught you colors.
Well, I was teaching him numbers last week.
Enough.
Sorry.
Don't make me fire you.
Not bad.
All I knew was 69666.
No, 69, then mouthwash.
Oops. Hold on. That's. Oops. Sorry.
You're going to hell.
Oops. Hold on. Oh wait. Wrong
You
way.
are hell.
Oop.
This is
Nope.
hell.
Yeah. Dealing with you. Oh, hey. Hi. Anyways, I guess we'll get back to that number in a little bit.
That's a number.
Yep.